Ever wondered how Sofia Vergara, one of Hollywood's most vibrant personalities, maintains her youthful appearance and health? The dynamic Colombian-American actress, Sofia Vergara, has long been turning heads with her age-defying looks and radiant lifestyle. At 51, she is the epitome of vitality, her effervescent personality matched only by her stunning beauty. Renowned for her role in the hit sitcom Modern Family, Sofia isn't just a screen phenomenon. Behind the scenes, she's a health enthusiast, passionately committed to a lifestyle that promotes wellness and longevity. The secrets of Sofia's youthful exuberance lie in her everyday habits, her food choices, and her skincare routines. In this video, we will delve into Sofia's top 10 healthy habits, the top 5 foods she swears by, and her skincare secrets. We'll explore how she integrates these into her busy life, and how they contribute to her career, public image, and overall well-being. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets behind Sofia Vergara's health and youthful glow. Sofia Vergara's health and beauty aren't just by chance. She embraces a set of healthy habits that contribute to her well-being. First on the list is regular exercise. Sofia believes in staying active to maintain her fitness and energy levels, as well as to keep her metabolism firing on all cylinders. Whether it's hitting the gym, taking a dance class, or doing Pilates, she ensures that she moves her body every day. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Next up is the habit of adequate sleep. Sofia understands that beauty sleep isn't just a myth. Getting enough rest is crucial for our bodies to heal and rejuvenate. She prioritizes a good night's sleep to wake up feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to take on the day. Thirdly, Sofia is a big proponent of mindfulness practices. She appreciates the importance of being present in the moment and not letting stressors take over. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few minutes to breathe and relax, Sofia incorporates mindfulness into her daily routine to maintain her mental health. The fourth habit is hydration. Sofia is always seen with a bottle of water. She knows that staying hydrated is essential for healthy skin, digestion, and overall body function. It's a simple habit, but one that can make a world of difference. Number 5 is a balanced diet. Sofia believes in nourishing her body with wholesome fresh foods. She doesn't believe in deprivation, but focuses on incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into her meals. It's about fueling her body with what it needs to function optimally. Sixth on the list is regular checkups. Sofia understands the importance of preventative health care. Regular checkups allow her to stay on top of her health and catch any potential issues early. It's a proactive habit that contributes to her well-being. Seventh is the habit of moderation. Sofia enjoys her life and doesn't believe in extreme diets or workout regimes. She knows that balance is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether it's indulging in her favorite foods or taking a day off from her workout, she understands the importance of giving herself a break. Next up, at number 8, is the habit of positivity. Sofia radiates positivity, and it's a big part of her lifestyle. She believes that a positive mindset can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. It's about embracing life with joy and gratitude. Ninth on Sofia's list is spending time outdoors. She loves being in nature, whether it's a walk on the beach or a hike in the mountains. Spending time outdoors not only provides physical benefits but also helps clear the mind and boost mood. Finally, the 10th habit is self-care. Sofia knows that taking care of herself is not a luxury, but a necessity. Whether it's a spa day, a quiet evening with a good book, or simply taking time to relax and unwind, she understands the importance of self-care in maintaining her health and well-being. These habits, practiced consistently, are the foundation of Sofia's radiant health and youthful looks. It's not just about lifestyle habits. Sofia's diet plays a crucial role in her health and beauty. And indeed, her radiant glow and youthful charm are a testament to this. So, let's delve into the top 5 foods that Sofia incorporates into her diet. First on the list are fresh fruits. Sofia is a big fan of nature's candy, packing her plates with a rainbow of fruits every day. Each bite is loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber that not only contribute to her overall health, but also provide her skin with a natural radiance. From the vitamin C in oranges to the antioxidants in berries, Sofia's fruit intake is a vital piece of her health puzzle. Next up are lean proteins. Sofia understands the importance of protein in maintaining muscle mass and keeping the skin firm. She leans towards lean proteins like chicken, fish, and turkey, which are not only rich in essential amino acids, but also lower in unhealthy fats. This smart protein choice aids Sofia in maintaining her toned physique and youthful complexion. Our third food group is whole grains. Sofia incorporates these nutrient-dense foods into her meals to provide her body with the energy it needs. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are packed with fiber, aiding digestion and helping Sofia maintain her svelte figure. Fourth on Sofia's food list are leafy greens. These nutrient powerhouses are packed with vitamins A, C, E, and K, not to mention a host of minerals. Sofia's love for salads and green smoothies is a testament to her commitment to these healthful foods, which play a significant role in her skin's health and elasticity. Finally, we have healthy fats. Sofia knows that not all fats are created equal. She embraces heart-healthy fats from foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds. These fats are essential for maintaining cell health and providing a youthful glow to the skin. A diet rich in these foods is Sofia's secret weapon to maintaining her health and youthful glow. These are not just foods, but pillars of a diet that embodies Sofia's commitment to health and beauty, a testament to the adage that you truly are what you eat. Sofia's flawless complexion doesn't come easy. She follows a strict skincare regimen. Let's delve into the details of this regimen and uncover the secrets behind Sofia's youthful glow. Sofia Vergara is a firm believer in the power of natural products. She leans heavily on nature's bounty to nourish her skin, using products that are free from harsh chemicals and artificial additives. From rosehip oil, known for its hydrating properties and high vitamin C content, to aloe vera, famed for its soothing and healing effects, Sofia's skincare routine is all about harnessing the power of nature. But that's not all. Regular facials form an integral part of Sofia's skincare habits. She understands the importance of deep cleansing and exfoliation, and of allowing a professional to work their magic on her skin. These facials not only help to remove impurities but also stimulate blood circulation, promoting healthier, glowing skin. Moreover, Sofia places a high emphasis on hydration. She not only drinks ample water throughout the day, but also ensures that her skin is well moisturized. Sofia is a proponent of hyaluronic acid, a powerful hydrator that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This miracle ingredient helps keep her skin plump, dewy, and youthful. It's important to note that Sofia's approach to skincare extends beyond the surface. She firmly believes that a healthy lifestyle contributes to healthier skin. That's why she incorporates regular exercise and a balanced diet into her routine, understanding that what she puts into her body has a direct impact on her skin's health. These practices aren't exclusive to Sofia. Anyone can adopt them. It's about being consistent and understanding that skincare is an investment. It's not about instant results, but about nurturing your skin over time. So there you have it. Sofia's skincare secrets are out in the open. It's no magic or mystery, but a testament to her dedication and understanding of skincare. These skincare practices are Sofia's key to achieving and maintaining her radiant complexion. Sofia Vergara's youthful appearance and health are a testament to her radiant lifestyle. There you have it, folks. We've delved into Sofia's top 10 healthy habits, from regular exercise to quality sleep, and the importance of maintaining a balanced lifestyle. We've explored the top 5 foods that Sofia swears by, each packed with nutrients contributing to her youthful look. We've also uncovered Sofia's skincare secrets, revealing that a dedicated routine is key to her flawless complexion. Sofia Vergara's lifestyle is a brilliant blend of discipline, balance, and joy. She emphasizes that health isn't just about the physical aspect, it's a holistic approach involving mental and emotional well-being too. Her radiant lifestyle is a reflection of her belief that beauty and health are interconnected, and they both start from within. She's not just a celebrity, she's a source of inspiration for those striving for a healthier, fuller life. Remember, beauty and health come from within, and Sofia Vergara is a shining example of this. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too.